Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you can see, I'm in a different setting, our living room, and that's because we are about to style up the coffee table, because last night we were supposed to style it and put it in the vlog last night, but we ran out of time. So where we left you guys off yesterday was we went to Pottery Barn, picked up the tree for the table, and we were supposed to come and insert that last bit into the vlog, but we ended up running out of time because we needed to get on our live, and we just were running out of time for the day to even be able to post. So we decided to carry it over to today, and that's what I'm about to do for you guys today. Keandra has a little bit of skincare that she's going to show you guys as well. I think she might have like some either new products or just products that she's using today. And then we're going to tidy up, and then we also have to kind of plan out our week for next week. It's Saturday, but we're gonna do that tomorrow, do that for today, kind of map it out and go to, I think we have to do a Target run and probably like Whole Foods or something like that, or the grocery store, because we need to pick up some groceries for the week, and we don't have time tomorrow because we're doing Living Noire tomorrow. Y'all, this is a very busy and very tight schedule to do, doing Vlogmas. It's very fun. It's fun and it's interesting, so we are just kind of moving things around and not doing our typical schedule. So you guys are gonna get to see all of that. The tree. It is such a pretty tree. It's a pre-lit tree. I wish that it twinkled. I turned the lights on last night to see how it looks, but it's got really nice high quality lights. It's a really nice, it's a faux, obviously, tree, but it has like that realistic look, and that is what I always look for whenever I'm doing anything faux, is a realistic look. And so it comes with a battery pack, or a compartment for the batteries. It has a timer, it on and then off switch, and then it's really nicely made. Like, I really like that, and I have a way that I'm gonna hide this, like all of this down here, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But it doesn't come with batteries, of course. And so I have 3 AA batteries. We keep those on hand, thankfully. But we got this tree for $59, so it ended up being like just over $59, like just over $60. I think like 63 something. So it was originally $99.50, so I think that's a steal. And so that's what made me pull the plug to go ahead and get this one, because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money when, especially, we have a whole closet full of decorations. And so I have this box. I don't think I'm gonna use this box for decorations on the table. So you guys saw earlier in the vlogs that I was putting this in the center of the table. I might put this like on that table over there or on our console, just to add more color in the room. But this box is entirely too big. I was thinking it was too big. I was being a little bit ambitious by putting it next to this bear. But yeah, so as you guys know, we have our bear. This is like our focal point. This and our pillow are the focal points of our decorations. And so we have some green, gold, red. So we're doing traditional colors, but not in the most traditional way, I would say. This is probably the most traditional, the Tarshan, plaid is probably the most traditional that we have. And then what I'm going to do, which makes more sense, is these are these are, man, I always want to call these cup holders. What are these called? Coasters. These are coasters that we got from Target years ago, and we pulled them out for the winter. We got them during the winter season years ago, and so I'm gonna put these on the table instead of the box. And I think that's going to really make for a nice color story. The nice kind of goldy reddish wood with the marble. I think it's going to look really good with the table. And then to cover, because I said I was going to cover the bottom, the base of the tree, you always need a skirt for your tree. And so this is actually a faux fur stole that we got from JCPenney's years and years and years ago. I think this is almost 15 years ago, 10, 15 years ago or so. So this stole, it goes like this, like, and we wear it on coats and stuff like that. So nice and so cute. I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of them, but because I have two, but I am going to likely fold it in half to make it, you know, kind of smaller, and then just wrap it around the base. So you guys are going to see that. That's going to take up a lot of space in the tray as well. So that's why we can't use the box too, in addition. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I put it all together.
So I just finished my shower, and we're about to head out and go to the stores and get a bite to eat. But I'm about to do my skincare, and I am going to use my Lancome triple serum retinol. Haven't used this in a very long time. Actually, it's been a couple of months, and so I decided that I'm going to use it today. And I'm going to use my CeraVe moisturizing lotion, and I'm going to also use my my Clarins under eye serum, and then I'm going to use my SPF, and then that'll be that for that, and then whichever one of my lip balms. And so I just wanted to just kind of like switch it up today. Sometimes if you don't switch up as it relates to your skincare products, like sometimes I find that products will work for so long and then I have to end up using something else. And so I'm just going to go in with this retinol serum and yeah, just, probably use it on up. And I had decided to, just use it sparingly because you have to be careful with this. I only should be using it 1 or 2 times a week because of the other actives that I use with my other products. But I'm going to add this back in. I'm going to start today and probably end up using it, the 1 to 2 weeks. Or, because my other option is to use it for this week and then wait a couple of weeks, down the line. I just got to really be careful though, because I don't want any any abrasions, no nothing coming up, no texture, nothing like that on my skin, no breakouts because of this type of stuff, using rather these types of ingredients together and not knowing what to use on what days and that type of thing. I am still learning, not perfect at it. Don't claim to be a skincare guru. Don't care to be one. Don't care to get it down pat perfected, like talking about. I just want to be able to get a routine down for me, something that works for me, something that is easy, basic enough for me to do, and not ruin my skin. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so for my last step, I have my Black Girl sunscreen, but I'm not gonna put it on right now. I'm gonna put it on just 15 minutes before we head out. I need to go in here and vacuum, just kind of clean up, straighten up, and get the pillows and everything together, especially after just, putting the tree and all of that out. Just wanna kind of, get everything together, get it straightened up. Like that's a part of, keeping a tidy and nice home, cozy, especially during this time, coming in from out of the cold. Just want to kind of also straighten up a couple of corners as well. Every time we do some type of brand situation, or just looking at my lips, brand situation, or a collaboration with clothing, if you're a content creator, you know how it gets. Even if you're somebody who's just, you're stylish, you're fashionable, you ain't even gotta be fashionable or stylish. You're looking for something to wear, and when everything is done, you've found all that you've gotten, you don't put it away as soon as you're done all the time. And maybe you do, and hats off to you. I don't do that all the time, and neither does my sister. So we have a couple of things that we got, like the clothing, stuff like that. Like after we're done with a lot of the clothing, we'll put it in trash bags and we'll sit in a corner. But we got to move those things and, just kind of get everything nice and cozy. And, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm about to go in here and straighten up, and then I'll come back and do a little something with my hair. and then we'll head out. And of course, you guys know that you're gonna go with us.
We're sitting down making a shopping list for our store run tonight because tomorrow is a full reset day. It's full of errands, cleaning, and getting ready for the week. We'll see you guys tomorrow.